Wow. I can't even see.
All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning, and welcome back to another video. I'm actually back up at Winter Park today on the Mary Jane side of the resort. I was gonna try to go somewhere a little closer to my house, maybe like Eldora up near Nederland and west of Boulder, but the wind everywhere out here just west of the Front Range in Colorado is just howling, and Winter Park is no exception. They are experiencing like 20 to 25 mile per hour winds right now with gusts up to 50 to 70 miles per hour. Winter Park has been experiencing a few more inches over the last couple days, and in doing so, they have opened up, I think, one more lift on the Mary Jane side. We're gonna grab our gear, we're gonna throw everything on, try to stay a little bundled up for you guys today because it is a cold one and it is a windy one. Let's enjoy the day either way. Let's grab our gear, let's get going.
All right, guys. Well, I just got off the Challenger 2-seater down by one of the main parking lots for the Mary Jane side here, and decided to come down this run because it seems like a lot of people are just kind of staying over here since the wind is so bad at the top of the resort. Woo! And even right now, hope you guys can even hear me. Wow, she's windy. I actually have a microphone that I usually use for the warm-up lap for you guys right now that helps with the wind a lot, but it's so cold. That or my batteries were just dead in my microphone and they just would not turn on, so we're stuck with the audio from the GoPro right now. Hope you guys can still hear me. Still great conditions. I mean, going down this blue, it's definitely tracked out, but man, for the snow we've been getting lately, it's been really nice. There's actually been a lot of people here today so far. It's later in the morning, but a lot of people are here, I think just because the snow is just so good midweek. People didn't want to miss it for the weekend because I don't think there's any more big storms coming until maybe later next week, but man, snow's good. Nice to be riding over on this side of Mary Jane too. I haven't been on this trail yet this year, so one more to knock off. Boy, she's windy. She is windy, you guys. Just trying to stay upright. Woo! Oh man! I think what we're gonna do though is try to stay off this 2-seater right here and maybe get in the trees a little bit. Try to stay away from that wind, but either way, good day, good crowds. Let's have a day. Wow. I can't even see. These are whiteout conditions, guys. Off to a great start today, having a good morning so far. I've basically just been riding this Challenger lift the last couple runs and basically just been sticking off this one chair lift this whole time, and it's still really nice. Like, you have a lot of trees to work with and a big open area of terrain that's just like one big run back down to the bottom of Mary Jane. That's really nice, and I think the majority of people have pretty much been doing the same thing, because once you get to the top of this lift, it just starts howling wind like crazy. So I think what I'm gonna do for the rest of the morning, at least, or even the rest of my day, is just try to stay off this one lift in particular. One thing I'm actually gonna do is go off of this lift skiers right, or the left side of this lift, and go over to the Challenger trails. So I just plan on going over there, tackling a couple of different runs that I haven't been to all year. But all in all, you guys, even though it's cold, windy, we're still having a day. Let's keep at it. Just jumped in the car and got out of Mary Jane pretty much as fast as possible, because when I was leaving, there's a lot of people actually having trouble getting out of the parking lots, even like big trucks, just because it was so icy and snow packed that they really couldn't move, and people were starting to slam into one another. So
Figured instead of sticking around and maybe making myself a target, I got out of there as quick as I could. But I just want to say to you guys, had an awesome day. I mean, besides the wind being what it was still an awesome day to ride. This last little storm surge definitely made it great again to ride, especially on this weekday after getting a couple inches over the last couple days. And I'm super excited to go forward in this week too, because the wife and I are actually going to be staying up in Breckenridge and going to be skiing up at our favorite mountain, Copper, for a couple days. Probably make some more videos for you guys on that one going forward. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you OOT and ABOOT. We'll see you guys in the next one.